Good morning from Costa. About 6:30 in the morning out here in LA. I don't have a huge load, but it's a work day for me, a normal, school work day, but I like showing this one and making this one because sometimes you got to get kids to break that mindset of you only do certain things on certain days. If you want that little extra, sometimes you got to do a little extra on a work day, a school day, and all those little grains of sand, dollar bills, they all stack up and add. Let's bring this in and see what we get for this little load. I had to clean out my yard. Stuff is going on. Hey, I got a home life. Give me a break. I love it. See you soon. Let's see how we do. Time to get weighed. But the mountain of steel, man alive, it's not there anymore. We're gonna have to find out. I wonder if this is a Los Angeles Unified bus. Just kidding. They keep them a long, long time. Boys and Girls Club, LA Harbor. I know that place. The mountain of steel is not that big. Who knows? All cleaned out. Let's get paid. Well, here we have it. Like, share, comment, subscribe. A little extra hustle in the morning, driving back and forth to work, picking stuff up. We had 620 total pounds. Still at $160 per gross ton. Before work, made an extra 44 bucks. Now, if this old guy can do it, little extra hustle, different mindset, doing it before work, before school, you can do it too. Sometimes you just got to get out there and hustle. Have a great day, kids. Catch you on the next one.